Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x squared of x minus square root of x equals to 6. Let's provide solution very quickly. And the first thing here is to copy what we have, because we have x square root of x then minus square root of x, which is equal to 6. And of course, first thing here, we can write t to be equal to square root of x. And of course, if we square both sides, we shall say a t squared, right, is equals to x, right? Then we're going to separate to replace them in the value of x we have right here. We shall say t squared times t, then minus t, this is equal to 6. We shall have t power 3, then minus a t, which is equal to 6, and we shall say t power 3 minus t, then of course minus a 6 will be a 0. What you shall have, we have t power 3 minus t, then minus 8, okay, then plus 2, because this value of numbers can replace this value of negative 6, which is equal to 0. Right at this stage, we shall group right times t power 3 minus 8 minus t plus 2 will be a 0. And of course here we have t power 3 minus 2 power 3 minus t, then of course plus 2 will be 0. This one we shall say we have t minus 2, then times t squared plus 2t, then plus 2 squared, which is equal to 4, then minus here we shall factorize 1, negative 1, to get t minus 2 to be equals to 0. Because we have t minus 2 common, we shall factorize t minus 2 to get open bracket of t squared plus 2t plus 4, then minus 1 cross bracket, which is equal to 0. And of course t minus 2 will be 0, or t squared plus 2t, then of course this is plus 3 will be 0. And of course right here we have t, which is equal to 2, and of course we shall say t equals to, of course here we shall say square root of x, as we have seen, right? And then 2 is equal to square root of x, then by square both sides, we shall say that 4, which is equal to x, to mean that x1 is equals to 4. And this is what we have right here. And the second one is this. We are going to solve this. We have seen that t squared is equal to x, to mean x plus 2 square root of x, then plus a 3 will be 0. And we shall say x plus a 3 plus 2 square root of x will be 0. And then x plus a 3 will be negative 2, will be equals to negative 2 square root of x by square both sides. We know that this is x squared, then plus 6x, then plus 9, which is equal to 4x. And of course this is x squared, and this shall get plus 2x, then plus 9, which is equal to 0. At this stage we have quadratic equation where we shall find x 2 and 3, which is equal to, here we shall say this is negative b plus or minus square root of, here, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And of course, our b is equal to 2, negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 9, then over 2. And this is equal to negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 32 over 2. And of course here, this is equal to negative 2 plus or minus, then times square root of 16 times square root of 2 times square root of negative 1 over 2. And this is equal to negative 2 plus or minus, this is 4, this is I, square root of 2 over 2. And last one here, x3 and x2 and 3 will be, by factorization, shall say negative 1 plus or minus 2i square root of 3 as the value of complex number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.